Okay, let's see if I can just win a one game before entering, I think, a cube war zone as I am 2-3-5-2. Okay, maybe open Sicilian. I think Vladimirific attack I've been interested in trying to play if I get a chance. I'm not going to get a chance here, am I? Let's go back to f3. Right, so I'm stopping bishop g5. I'll play bishop c4 anyway. So I'll play queen e2 anyway, and maybe castle queenside in any case. Knight h4. Maybe there's knight e4. Knight e4, bishop h4. There's knight d6 there. I'll give that a shot. So d5 and f5 might still be quite kind of useful in this position. This h6, you know, if I get a lovely knight on f5, it's difficult to kick that knight with g6. I don't want to waste time with f3 and g4 though. Although perhaps rook g1, g4. Oh, he's going for this. Okay. Can I not play knight d6 here? Is this a little miscalculation or something? This looks kind of dangerous for the queen attack. Bishop e6 looks like splicing, fragmenting the pawns as well. Also there's knight f7, just attacking the bishop. Ah, okay. That puts a spanner in the works. Bishop d4, queen e5. Bishop e5 there. Anything stronger? Knight c8, knight e2 check is unpleasant. I think just winning e5 is enough. Win e5. So how? Is there anything better here? Bishop c3. I think bishop e5 looks fairly good. Bishop a7, bishop c3. I can't see anything else. Let's go for queen e5. No, he's going to win f2 at the end of it. If queen e7, bishop d6, check. There's f4. Okay, looks good position. Good position. I think. g7 might be vulnerable. e6 might be vulnerable. Mind you, it's protecting c2 at the moment. My bishop. Rook d4 is a tempo gain on h4. Check and f4 of course. But it might be useful for rook g4s later. Or bishop e6. There's rook d6 here. There's queen f2. I can take. There's rook e6 there. Take. That's interesting. Rook d6 takes. Rook f1. Check. How about g3? Just protecting this. Oh, he's got bishop b3 and queen b3 coming up on the cards. There's bishop c3 there. Okay, I'm going to play king b1, I think, if given the chance. Is there anything better? Do I really want to protect b3? I think I do. I'll take on f6 first, otherwise I'm going into a nasty pin. Is there anything better? Rook d6, queen b3, there's rook f6, takes, queen g4. That looks dangerous. Queen f5, that looks very dangerous. I think I'll go for that. Rook d6. And he floors rook queen b3, rook f6, takes queen g4. That's with tempo, because there's checks with tempo. I think it's a chance. He might have missed it. I'm not invincible tactically. I'm hoping. Is he going to now rook f6? So queen b3, rook f6. Let's look at this again. G takes, check. King can't go there. Bishop f6. Goes there, queen f5. A perpetual. Actually, okay, he's threatening queen a1. He's going to win the rook. Oh, that's nasty. Oh dear. Oh dear. Queen a1 just wins the rook. Rook f6, he can play check and take on h1. Bishop f6 plays check, takes on h1. There's queen g4, there's g6. In that position, isn't something like that looks fairly dangerous, so I think I'm not gonna mind that. Right, so his queen's out of the picture for a moment, so queen g4 or bishop g7. Queen g4 g6. There's bishop d4 immediately threatening rook g6 there. There's no immediate checks apart from rook c2. I'm hoping that's not too dangerous. Takes rook c8. Bishop c3 maybe. Okay. So bishop d4 here or bishop c3. I think bishop d4 and I'm threatening rook g6. King h7. So bishop c3 better. There's rook c3. It's bishop e7 if I want to guarantee winning the exchange back, because still this is kind of dangerous for rook g6. Bishop can switch back. I think bishop e7. So I'm threatening, if king h7 here, then bishop f8 maybe. That might not be too clever, because rook f8, I don't know what I'm doing after that. Is he kind of safe? Bishop d4, I'm not getting a battery that easily anyway. Bishop c3, that was rook c3. So unfortunately king h7, and I'm down on the clock by about a minute. He's just sacking back the exchange without a problem. Or is it? I can't see a problem. Okay, he's done that. Okay, his queen's out of the way though, so might as well get my exchange back. Maybe rook d7 or queen f4. I think h4 just for a sec. Maybe h5 is actually useful. So 39, he's got a minute advantage. What do I want to do here? Something like h5 as his queen moves, that would actually be quite good, h5. The queen's actually stuck for a moment. Oh, queen e1's now a threat. That's a real pain. Okay, queen f4. I guess I'm getting mated or something horrible. I'm on f7, queen e1. Queen's protecting d6. I'm hitting f7. But with only 26 seconds, this is going to go downhill, isn't it? Queen e1, king d3. He can start checking me all over the shop. I think rook c8 is going to be a killer. There's queen d2. There's queen d2. Queen d. Rook c8, king b4. a5, king a3. I'm on f7. Does he go back to f7? If he's, we're at rook d7. If I play that quickly. If I get to the 7th rank here. Right, pre-move time. I have to try and get rid of his pawns. I can keep my b pawn. Actually not there. You might pre-move that. Hold on a sec. Ooh! He lost on time. Sorry, I had 7 seconds. What was going on there? Oh, oh man. Sorry. Oh, I thought he was going to win on time. I actually thought I had 2 seconds. Too much. Oh, blimey. What a game. Oh, blimey. Oh, dear, oh, dear. What was this? Ah, after Queen A5, this is chaos. This weakness of the last move, this H1 rook. Oh, I thought King H7 was going to be strong here, just returning back the exchange. Oh, I thought I was going to get mated. I thought I was going to lose on time still. Okay, but yeah, just he's winning, of course, but time pressure. Comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks very much.